Yo, boys. We're
You need a long ski, bro.
we're in a shop. We're doing the boy Aduts doing his good old.
We can't.
Wait, let me show you. Look at this prelude though. Somebody make offers, man. Make some offers. Make some offers. Clean edge, you fool. But these are not true rears, so you do need to install the bucket for these. What are these called, bro? What are these?
The rears?
Yeah, no. What are these? Are they? Oh, Rev 9. Okay, Rev 9s. eBay boys. It's gonna be a nice install. Hopefully, pretty easy. We'll see, but let's get it.
Okay.
And is the engine built?
I mean, it probably has to be built.
If the engine's not built, then that's not a really fair price. Cause that joint will go boom. I don't know how to do that. This is so nice. Bro, this is a Prelude. It's supercharged. 6.5 for this? Oh yeah, 93,000 miles. Make sure, yo guys, offer, because he wants 6.5. So if you want this, let me know. So let's go look up the engine. Supercharged.
He said it's pushing like 750.
750?
With the car.
Bro, this is a sleeper. I might buy it.
Fish card. I don't know what we're doing. Just
Well, I've never dealt with something like that before.
Yeah, that's pretty weird how you gotta take the brake off.
Because mine was not connected like that.
Yeah. That didn't sound like a bad sound though.
It sounded kind of promising. I think you need like a specialized. Oh wait, hold on.
Maybe not.
Nothing about it.
Maybe it's just rusted together and it snaps out.
Hopefully.
You just break the tip of that?
Another one of your tools
I hope not.
That sounded promising too. But how the fuck does it get out?
I don't know. I'm sweating, so I'm done.
It comes, it slides out.
Back.
I gotta put this away. That.
You should have 17?
You know what they
11/16 may work. I might be a little dumb in the head. I don't think
work.
it does.
Yeah.
That's what I thought.
I got it? Socket wrench?
Oh wait, it's up here. Yo, can you pass my my wrench? Jared, can you pass my wrench? Or my sorry. My head's not. Shut up. Shut up.
I gotta take out the screen.
E40.
This job don't fit. What is this?
3/8.
That works on mine. These are my broken ones here. See, this one doesn't do that, and this one doesn't hold them in. That's why I bought this. But this shit still works.
Don't you need to hold the one side or no?
I'm just trying to break it. It's fucking tight.
Here,
I
let
made
me
it
try.
tight
Let me
as
try.
shit.
Let me try.
Ready?
Or we got a strong man in this house?
Damn, bro. Wait, I'm pulling towards you, right?
I think so. Let's fucking hope.
You sure, bro?
I don't know. This job just die. Oh no, the screen's out.
Yeah, do you have a
Actually,
jack that came with the car?
Hmm?
You have a jack that came with the car?
oh no.
I have a jack.
Nigga, you've had one this whole time?
Hey, wait.
Bro.
That's right.
Is that my stuff?
Yes, bro.
Maybe.
Man, we're struggling this whole time.
Well, it doesn't work, so.
These things doesn't work.
Alright, you're fine.
I can break it.
That?
Where's your action?
It's at home. Wait, Dustin.
We got 2x4.
Shit.
I think you're just going with it.
What the hell's that?
No, that's
What the fuck?
it's over there. I wouldn't say bad.
Oh, a little scissor. What the?
It's another one Jared broke before. When we were trying to do my car at your house.
I didn't break this one.
Yes, you did. Yes, you did.
I didn't break.
You're a breaker, bro. You break hearts out here.
Yo, my shit slammed right
Two-face,
now.
baby.
My shit is already slammed.
I said, you gotta do the light skin face, bro.
I'm rolling on the road or something, bro. Fuck this. We already done. This shit slammed.
Bro, you gotta do the here, do the blue face.
I don't have
Light skin face, bro. Here.
I'm
do
not-
it.
I'm not
light skin
light.
face now.
Yeah,
Light skin face.
They're gonna cancel.
Yeah, I go like this.
blue bite.
You don't. That looks bad.
Do the light skin face, bro.
Do the what?
Light skin face, bro.
How the fuck do I do that? Oh.
Do the
I'm
dice.
saying.
Yeah.
Ready for this, bro?
Oh, it just turned off.
No, it didn't. No,
Yeah,
It's still recording.
I did.
Bro, ready? Wow, that's crazy. That's crazy. Wait, what?
Yeah, dude.
We playing with fire.
This is basically V10.
The WRX wants to race, huh?
Yes.
He gonna smoke me. I'm not racing.
What year is it?
A 2017, bro, and it's automatic. Fuck no.
Uh,
Fuck no, baby. That's just off.
look at him.
Now we got better. Now we have 4K quality, boys.
4K.
Yeah, 4K.
How many freaking cameras do you have? Yo, watch him get gapped in 4K.
Wait, what?
Watch him get gapped in 4K. This would gap him.
This will gap him.
Almost. Gap
What? Huh? What? I said this will gap him.
Chill.
Shit.
See?
I'm trying to use this 4K.
camera guy?
Wait. Here, let me get some like rolling shots. Be like,
I think this, I don't know. I need like an actual breaker block or
what
no.
other shots we can do? Yo, Devon, edit this. Be like,
That doesn't. Oh,
why don't you just raise the car higher?
Because I need the type.
Let me get some.
It's actually pretty nice. Get some B-roll.
Okay. All right, keep going. I need this clip.
Yo, look at that.
You had this whole damn time?
What do you have? What do you have?
You were struggling. I was the one trying to take that thing off the whole time.
Yeah, you're right.
I was on that thing for like 20 minutes.
I love this camera quality.
That shit nice. And it's a wide angle.
Put some rap
What
music.
size is that lens?
1545.
That is very close to the human eye.
Yeah. I have a wide. I actually have a fisheye lens that I usually use, but I'm not using it.
We call it a GoPro.
Oh wow. But yeah, he's pretty dope. No kizzy.
Should I slam my drum today? Cause you know mine gets slammed. I get tuck.
Slam that bit. You slamming? You slamming, bro? Are you slamming? Or are you going stance? Static?
I'm gonna go stance.
Stance?
Yeah,
Okay,
I'm gonna
that's-
say stance.
See, I'm stance too.
Keep that shit fit in nice.
See?
All about the fit.
See, now this is giving issues that mine did, bro. Sorry about that, boys. That is our sticker. You feel me? Good old exclusive sticker. That's our car group, you feel me?
I don't know why the fuck did he turn on.
Hello, Gerard.
Yeah, I pay a lot for that just to stop buying like disposables.
Yeah, disposals fucking waste a lot.
People, they loyal.
So, how about that Chipotle, you know? I'm back right here. Yeah, you think my car?
No.
We'll be back. Oh, you need that.
What? What?
Socket.
Huh?
The socket.
Nope. Fuck. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it.
How about you?
Nobody whipping shit.
Oh, so you want no free Chipotle?
Nah, it's cool, bro.
I gotta stop at CVS first.
I wonder why. Dickhead. Baby Ahmad about to be running around. Baby Mod, baby Mod. He be like, Dada! Dada! Head ass. Bitch! No more baby. Man, that's tough. Alright, well those are done. Just gotta align the message. Are they not tighten? Really? All I gotta say is, boys, one time I had these and I didn't tighten it like a dickhead, and I was driving around like that for weeks. Like an idiot. I could have died. No kizzy. And I cut my finger just now. That shit hurted, no cap. The fuck? I don't have Gugan. Bro, where's the adjustable shit, bro? Where's the adjustable, where's the adjustable drum, bro? The fuck? Shit, I guess his car not getting done.
It's not making any sense. It's the right way.
Well, that's because there's a fault on the other side. We're gonna have to get another socket on the end of that and then hold it as you push down.
That works.
If that'll work. There you go.
Is that?
Now, just as a fair warning,
I just
a jack
see
under
that sounds scary, so I didn't continue.
put a jack under that because that's on top. You're not getting it back up. Just to throw.
Here we go. Here we go. Bro, I don't know if this is gonna reach. It may. I don't know. Maybe if you get this. Really, nigga?
Want me get another bolt? Here.
Yeah, it's like all the way. Bro, that shit gonna fucking. Put it in the middle. Bro, it's some ghetto shit, bro.
That is ghetto as shit.
Bro, this shit gonna fucking shoot out.
Wait. We should put more pressure back.
I think you should just lower it.
I'm going open headers.
Lower it onto it.
Yeah, go lower it.
Alright, so we would have to remove the center console on this. Sadly, to remove everything on the car, it'd have to be gutted basically. So we're gonna take these out so we can get to the back strut. So we're gonna keep them out for now. So we're gonna just run with this. These are already pretty low anyway, so alright. Alright, bro. So put this shit back on.
Yeah.